Okay, a little bit of SHIB news. Can Shiba Eternity game, the game itself, day pump Shiba Inu token? Let's talk more about this because this Shiba Eternity game is expected to be announced and uploaded and ready to go October 6th. And let's talk about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. October 6th, 2022, a popular game over the Shiba Inu ecosystem, Shiba Eternity, is scheduled for launch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, the success of the game is expected to bring benefits for Shiba, at least the SHIB community anticipates. Earlier, the game downloaded was scheduled for October 1st, but then the developers went on to postpone that into further notice. Now, Shiba Eternity is a strategy game within Shiba Inu. Now, the army of Shiba, SHIB Army, sees the game as a crucial push for the meme currency. Looking at the price movement of SHIB tokens lately, experts believe it is showing an ideal situation for a breakout. So that's what they're seeing. This could be the ideal situation for a pretty good sized breakout. Now, for over the 15 days, the meme token price has been moving sideways for a while, as the chart shows. But look at this here. Popular Shiba Inu community member boasts to be a Shiba Maxi SHIB Knight said the download day set for upcoming days of this week could act as a major catalyst, or at least a catalyst, I should say. He said the Shiba Inu token price is witnessing a rise in accumulation zone. It would need big catalysts here to experience and break out, he said. Knight wondered if the Shiba Eternity download day could be this event. Now, top Ethereum whales still prefer SHIB token among their favorite crypto asset. I wonder why when you have news coming out here in a couple of days. In addition to other key factors, it makes sense for Shiba Inu investors to hold on to this meme token. So, let's see what happens here October 6th, 2022. The game is supposed to be scheduled for the launch. Could this bring a day pump to Shiba Inu token? With all this exciting news of this game, we have to wait and see. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. One more thing I want to go ahead and mention here. The Shiba Eternity is concerned. It is a SHIB characters and story-based collectible card game which allow its users to play the game both online and mobile without any cost. So that's good too as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.